Whoa, check it out.
Check it out.
Where are we?
Disneyland. Disneyland.
Yeah, we're at Disneyland.
It's Mickey's birthday today.
You're right. So it's Mickey's birthday today, and you know what? I actually did a whole spiel and an intro for this, but then the camera's SD card got all messed up, so now we're in front of the tram about to go into Disneyland. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna go inside. It's been a long time. We'll probably do a live while we're walking around. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna probably try and do like a mukbang as well too. But yeah, let's go inside. All right, here we go. Check it out. Cool. Mickey's birthday. Thank you.
All right.
Here you go, Crunch Mom.
Thank you.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, let's go.
Which way, left or right?
Let's go right.
Right.
Look at all the decorations. Look how huge that tree is, mister. All right, we made it all the way to Toontown, which is in the backside of Disneyland. We're gonna go see Mickey Mouse right now. Who is that? Minnie. What's wrong? Why are you so sad?
She wants to hug all the characters.
Yeah.
You want to hug everybody?
Yeah. Oh. You can hug mommy.
You want to hug me?
No. Oh my goodness.
Who do you want to hug?
She wants to hug all the characters, but she can't.
She's so sad.
She's so sad. It's okay. We just went to go see Mickey and Minnie, and we saw Chip and Dale. They're not doing like any character meets where you can like hold them and hug them and take pictures with them, with everything going on right now, obviously. But they were standing outside in front of their houses, and you could take pictures with a pretty good distance away. But it's still pretty nice that they still do that, and you could actually see all the characters. It's been like 2 years since we've been here, and it's changed a lot.
Yeah.
Even the last time we came here, the last time we were here, Star Wars Land had just opened up. And then the year afterwards, they announced that Marvel in the California Adventure side was opening up. And that finally opened up, I think last year or this year? I don't even remember. Yeah, this year, it opened up this year. So much has changed since the last time we were here. But surprisingly, it's a lot more crowded than we thought it was gonna be. All right, we're gonna finish up our snacks.
I like how we're like,
And then we're gonna go walk around.
10 minutes in and we're on snack break.
Yeah.
Can I?
Make sure you pack enough snacks for all your kids to keep them occupied while you're walking through Disneyland.
No.
What is that?
The door is locked.
It's so tiny. Check out that tiny door.
But it's part of it.
Oh yeah. What about this one? I don't think that door opens. Hi, cranky baby. Are you sleepy? Yeah, okay. Let me see. How do you go sleep?
Show us Nene. Close your eyes.
Oh, okay. We'll just walk around.
Yeah.
All right, let's go walk around. Kaya, did you know that whenever Jordan came here when he was a baby, he'd always fall asleep? He would always sleep. No matter what. When he was your age, he would just sleep, sleep, sleep. Did you know that?
Kaya bed.
Oh, you want to go Kaya's bed and sleep? Okay. How do you go to sleep? Can you show them? Do you lay down and close your eyes? No? How do you sleep then?
Bed.
Oh, in the bed. We don't have your bed here. Funny story is, every time we would come to Disneyland when Jordan was younger, Jordan would fall asleep in this stroller, and that's all he would do. He would just sleep, sleep, sleep. We're actually sitting in the Plaza Inn right now, and we're actually gonna do... Check it out, corn dogs. Is it good? Let me try a little mustard. Look at how good that looks. All right, guys, so we are doing the next part of our eating adventure, and we are doing this giant
Christmas cookie.
Christmas cookie, check that out.
Catch on Monday when I came on Monday after like.
Oh, man, we're almost to the front of the line. That was kind of fast. So, we're gonna head on inside. We're gonna play some Astro Blasters. All right, guys, we're almost to the front of the line. Are you ready? All right, let's get on our Buzz Lightyear spaceship. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Whoa, 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 get him. Whoa!
Lives, we are eternally grateful.
Good job, Jordan.
No, but it's closed over there. Hold on.
All right, guys. So this is our next food. What is it?
Dole Whip.
It's a Dole Whip. Check it out.
It gives you a bite.
Okay. Ooh, that tastes like strawberries.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. We're gonna head over to the California Adventure now, and we're gonna go eat some stuff over there, go ride some rides over there, and check it out. All right, guys, so we are heading over to California Adventure side. Check out Crunch Baby. So Crunch Baby fell asleep.
We're at Disney California Adventure.
All right, so we made it over to California Adventure. Crunch Baby woke up. And we're gonna head over, we're gonna find some foods, we're gonna go check out Avengers Campus, because that's new and we haven't checked that out since we've been here, so let's go check that out. Look at what it is. Do you see him? That's Spider-Man. That's pretty cool. All right, so we just mobile ordered our meal. We're actually here at the Pim Test Kitchen. Whoa. Whoa, they made it huge. Whoa. All right. Look how huge this thing is. It's bigger than his head. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, what are we doing?
We're going on a rocket ship.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go ride the Zephyr. Nice. So Jordan wanted to ride this. We're in California Adventure right now. We just finished up eating at the Pin Test Kitchen, and we're gonna be going on the Zephyr right now. And it got cold, so Jordan's in a jacket and I'm in a sweater. Oh, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Let's go. Alright guys, check it out. Jordan and I, we're gonna go on the Golden Zephyr.
It's starting.
It's gonna start soon. We're gonna be sky high. Woo-woo.
Oh, I know.
What?
There's that. We
Oh, that's
can
jellyfish.
ride- Yeah, jelly, yo.
Jelly, jelly, jelly. Whoa! It's starting. We're flying. Oh,
Yeah.
is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's dizzy.
Yeah, a little less.
All right, check it out. We're going to go on to Jesse's carousel. Look at each crunch, baby. Wow. All right, we're gonna ride that. That looks dizzy. Woohoo! Oh, here we go. riding now.
Jellyfish jumping, jellyfish.
Whoa! Oh! Okay, let's get it one more time. Whoa! Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. Oh. Hey, look at what are we gonna ride? Yeah, it's that one. That one. Woo woo woo!
You want to think about house? I got 20. I want more.
All right, guys. So this is the last one. We are in California
Peppermint
Adventure.
churro.
It's a peppermint churro. Oh, Kaya's turn. How was it? Oh, good, good. Okay, bye-bye, Kaya. We'll see you later. All right, guys, so this is the end of the vlog. We pretty much spent all day at Disneyland, which is kind of fun. And we're gonna get some pho.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I think Kaya's hungry. Kaya, are you hungry? What about Jordan?
I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, Jordan's hungry. Kaya's hungry. Yeah. That's a straw. I'm so hungry. All right, check it out. The food's here. Oh, there's Jordan's food. There's Kaya's. And everyone else is eating. And then there's mine. All right, I'm starving. I gotta eat. Eat, Mom. See you guys later. Bye-bye.